In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a simple shortbread using some wholemeal flour to make it even a little more healthy. I'm Fiona. Welcome to Fiona's Food for Life. Sometimes it's nice to have biscuits as a treat, but if you look at the ingredients on the biscuits you buy in the supermarket, it's a huge, big, long list of ingredients, and we probably don't recognize half of the things. So today I'm going to show you how to make a really simple shortbread. I'm going to put a little bit of wholemeal flour in it to make it that little bit healthier. It's great to make with the kids. They love cutting out different shapes, and great to put in the lunchbox. So first of all, I'm going to add in 170 grams of flour. I have mixed white and brown flour. Then I'm going to add in 110 grams of butter. And I'm going to add in 55 grams of sugar. They're the only ingredients that go in, and we'll blitz it up together. What you're looking for is that you'll be able to get it all together in a bowl. If it doesn't come together in a bowl naturally, you can just put your hand in, and if you squeeze a bit and it comes together like that, we're good to go. So you want to turn it out onto a lightly floured surface. Now, if you don't have a food processor, you can make this no problem. You just do it with your fingers, rubbing the butter into the flour and the sugar, and then keep going until it comes together for you. Now flour the top of it lightly, and we're just going to roll it out. Shortbread is naturally crumbly. You just want to work gently with it. So I'm going to roll that out to about maybe half a centimetre, and then I'm going to cut it into shapes. When you use butter, you don't need to grease the tray, it's not going to stick. So first of all, I could do some classic rounds, or maybe some heart-shaped for Valentine's Day, or some stars. When you're cutting out, you want to cut out as close as you can together so that you're not wasting any of the mixture. Because what happens is when you put it back together again, it gets a little bit drier and more crumbly, so you want to handle it as little as possible. Scoop them up and onto your tray. So to get the rest of this mixture back together, pull it away from the flour and work it in with the heat of your hands to try and get it into a dough. And then sprinkle a little flour and roll it out again. Now, if you see any cracks in it like this, you literally just push it together, and with the heat of your hands, it'll all come together. Pop that in the oven, about 180 degrees, for 10 to 15 minutes. Depends on how thick the shortbread is. So these have been in the oven for 13 minutes. At this stage, they're starting to go golden. They're done. Leave them to cool. While you will be able to move them on the tray, leave them to go completely cold on the tray before then putting them on a wire rack, and enjoy. I hope you enjoyed today's video on shortbread. Please like and comment below, and don't forget to subscribe. Have you checked out my other videos like granola bars or how to make omelette 3 different ways, a really nice quick meal? Thanks a million. See you soon.